Hello and thank you for joining me today. This is going to be quite a quick video, just doing this little swallowing mixed media, and the reason for it really is just to show how you can get something quite quickly and quite loosely and get some movement in your artwork. So I'm quite often asked how to become more loose with your works, and I think the main thing really is just to have a little bit of fun and have a play, not to be too precious about your media, not to be too precious about your paper, and not to try being over fussy with your drawing and trying to get it too photorealistic. Just have some fun, perhaps set a timer, put some music on and relax. So don't worry, like I say, about wasting media, just go for it and enjoy using the media, enjoy throwing all those paints at the paper and seeing what happens. And if it doesn't work out, never mind, you've learnt something. So here I'm using Derwent Inktense, sometimes dry, sometimes wet, sometimes dry onto wet, sometimes wet into dry, just playing with the media and seeing what I can do with it and layering it up. And all the time looking back and seeing where I've gone wrong with the drawing perhaps, but not over worrying about that, but you can correct it, and there's all sorts of ways you can correct it. You can see at the end I use charcoal, I use chalk, I use a white ink pen just to get some highlights back and just to alter the drawing a little bit, but again not making it over fussy, because if we do that then you lose that spontaneity and that looseness that's in your work. So work quickly and try and keep it fluid, try and keep plenty of water on there, don't let it dry too much either, because then you're going to get too many hard lines that way. You need some nice soft lines, so just have fun. Okay, so I hope you find it useful. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I've put a few little notes at the bottom saying what I'm doing, but not too many, so if you want to ask anything, if you want to put those in the comments below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So bye for now, and I'll be back again soon with another video.